Level 1 shear advisories are in effect.
Understood, X-ray Quebec.
Hello. Wind shear advisory is awesome.
Station contact flight.
Service 14, we just had a one shift.
Multiple cranes in the vicinity of the airport.
010 at 16.
Low-level wind shear advisories in effect. Hazardous weather information for Phoenix area available on flight service frequencies.
X-ray Quebec.
Bird activity in the vicinity of the airport.
010
Brief by close short instructions.
Are you able to continue?
Advise on initial contact. You have information below.
Alright, so we got some wind shear on the field right now. I was wondering why that. I knew as soon as I saw that Southwest airplane way over my head that he had gone around.
Runway 25 right, taxi via Delta 12 Echo.
Ground for Delta 1521, do you have any recent PIREPs of wind shear either on takeoff or on final?
Delta 1521, we do have wind shear equipment up here with, and I would say about, I got up here at 0002, which was 11 or 12 minutes ago, and I was seeing wind shear out of the north. Right now, I haven't had a current wind shear report other than the current wind 01013, gust 24. What you can do is when you check in with tower, you can ask them if anybody's reported any wind shear on arrival or departure. Turn right on Delta to the ramp.
Right turn on to Delta and over to ramp Frontier 607. And maybe just to pass along, when we were coming on final, they said a 15 knot gain on the 25 right.
Delta 1521, did you copy that?
We did. Thank you so much, Frontier.
You bet.
Right, so we'll do a wind shear takeoff. We'll get in ground effect and we'll...
Commander 45 Alpha Zulu, thanks to your patience. Runway 25 left at Hotel 7 intersection departure. Taxi via hotel.
25 left, Hotel 7 via Hotel 45 Alpha Zulu. And we'll go...
5 Alpha Zulu, information kilo is current. Wind shear is on the ATIS. Current center field wind 01013, gust 24. We've had multiple go-arounds as well.
At 45 acknowledge all. Or 45 Alpha Zulu acknowledge.
Commander 5 Alpha Zulu, there's a lot of aircraft not departing right now. Once you're on hotel, monitor tower 120.9er. If you want a different intersection or when you're ready to go, give them a call. Have a safe flight.
Okay, we'll go ahead and switch now. Appreciate it. 45 Alpha Zulu.
5.
Tower United 2355, we're ready.
Okay, we're checking it.
2355, they just stopped our departures here, so plan runway 7 left, and I'll get you guys here moving shortly.
Alright, we'll do it.
And we're just going to go in the most logical order for departure, so American 890, cross runway 25 right, behind United, and continue, change runway to runway 7 left.
Alright, behind United, we're going to cross runway 25
A
right
nice
for runway
crab
7 left,
to
American
the north, to the right. Should be...
And just confirm United 2355, clear to cross 25 right.
And 2355, affirmative.
Alright, then Fox, go to Golf 8, gotcha.
Thanks. November 45 Alpha Zulu, Phoenix Tower, I need you to make a 180 and change your runway to runway 7 right. Just taxi, make a 180 and taxi via hotel. You can contact 132.55.
Okay, 180, taxi 7 right on Hotel 45 Alpha Zulu.
UPS 2876 Heavy, turn left, Golf 5, cross runway 25 left, taxi via hotel and the parking.
Okay, continue on Foxtrot. Continue on Foxtrot and then left on Golf 5. Clear across runway 25 left into parking DPS 2876.
American 2658. Alright, crossing 7 left at Echo 13.
Alright, just a little bit better deal here.
Delta 1521.
Commander 5 Alpha Zulu, you ready for departure?
Affirmative, 45 Alpha Zulu.
Commander 5 Alpha Zulu, wind 01019er, gust 30, turn right, heading 130, runway 7 right, clear for takeoff.
Alright, clear for takeoff 7 right, and then it's right to 13045 Alpha Zulu.
Southwest 3112 Tower, you ready?
About a minute.
Roger, advice.
Southwest 2419 on the visual, 7 right.
Southwest 2419 Phoenix Tower, wind 01018, gust 30, runway 7 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 7 right, Southwest 2419.
United 2355, Phoenix Tower, you ready at the end?
Yes, sir.
United 2355, wind 010 at 20, gust 30, runway 7 left, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 7 left, United 2355.
All right, that's how you do it.
Southwest 3112 is ready in sequence.
Roger. Commander 5 Alpha Zulu, heading 130, contact departure on 126.8.
All right, 130, switching to departure, 45 Alpha Zulu.
Commander 5 Alpha Zulu, area of heavy to extreme precipitation just southeast of Gateway from your 12 o'clock at about 30 miles to your 10 o'clock at about 30 miles, area of moderate to heavy precipitation all the way out to the east. How are you planning on navigating to Safford?
Taking a look at that there right now. This heading that we're on, we'd like to remain on that until we get south of what's going on over there at Gateway.
Okay, Commander 5 Alpha Zulu, so you think you're going to go south to all that stuff and then to the east?
Affirmative, sir, 45 Alpha Zulu.
Roger. That was 3258, Phoenix departure, radar contact, good afternoon, climb and maintain 16,000.
I maintain 16,000, 16,000, Sky was 3258. Roger, Sky was 3258, yeah, we see it on radar.
Southwest 3112, contact Albuquerque Center 126.45, have a good day.
Let's get the radar set up here.
1925, knots for
over the weather.
To
radar. Take it off standby. Put it in weather mode. We're going to need a tilt of about 3.5 up, so we're not painting the ground.
15, let them know when they're back on course.
3515.
And you'll see a lot of that is ground clear. That's going to go away. And the rest of that is going to be real weather.
Proceeding direct Hilo Ben. 2565, roger, contact Albuquerque Center 135.15, you have a good day.
3515, Southwest 2555.
Okay, so we got a cell off to the left there. Looks about right. And mostly at the route of flight, we're okay. We'll go ahead and get ourselves heading to Safford. Right, that's what the picture looks like right now. There's your strategic picture, and you got to go into tactical mode, get around this kind of weather. So we go back, we use our tactical weapons, radar. But today, we can pretty much see what's going on out there. So we'll use the Mark 1 eyeball to assist us, but if it were night, we'd really be dependent hard on the radar and the NEXTRAD to kind of give us our eyes at night.
Air 45 Alpha Zulu, be advised, Giacomo is also active.
Acknowledged, 45 Alpha Zulu. Vertical scan. You hold the home button down, take the same place. Is this weather right here. And the GTN 750, you can use your finger to put it around. Be a blessing and a curse depending on how bad the turbulence is. Now you see we got a little bit of work to do. So the game plan right now is to come down, hang a left, shoot through this gap here. That's probably Klondike Pass. All this convective activity is probably lift off of Mount Graham. So we'll swing through Klondike Pass, which is the low ground, and swing back around and get in. Showing yellow right now, but I don't think that's going to be a real issue.
Mabel.
All right, so we can see about 10 miles ahead of us, so we're in essentially Arizona IFR, because we can't see 100 miles. But you can see all this weather off to the left. That's all this. Should be moving north, not south. So we're going to cut through there, and we're going to get back to this green stuff. So doesn't look great right now, but Probably get a little bit of turbulence, get some rain, and we'll keep the speed down.
Citation 0 Bravo Charlie, we're kind of working our way back toward bunker.
So,
November 0 Bravo Charlie, roger.
We don't want to go hauling ass through this stuff.
Spirit 339, be advised, past this first area of weather, that's at your 12 o'clock and 45 miles, moderate to heavy precipitation now. There's another area as you're making your turn right now at your 12 o'clock and 115 miles. That's moderate to extreme precipitation, extending mostly to the north side, and that's about 40 to 50 miles in diameter.
Okay, copy, Spirit 339. We'll stay right for now and we'll keep you posted.
A lot of precip out there. All right, official start of monsoon is June 15th. It is May 15th. What the hell is going on here? So there's the Klondike Pass directly in front of us. Mount Graham off to the right there. That's what we're going to shoot. There's the gap that we're going to take.
Center American 1470.
Get into Safford.
Yeah, we need a good 10, 15
Let's listen to the weather at Safford. See if we can pick it up.
40 miles.
American 1470, descending maintain flight level 320, left deviation is approved direct
Celsius. Altimeter 3006. Remarks lightning distant south. Density altitude 4,200.
Safford Regional Airport.
Automated weather observation 0054 Zulu. Wind 230 at 10. Visibility 1 and 1/2. Heavy rain. Sky conditions 3,800.
Okay.
Overcast 4,000.
All right, so we started our descent out of 11,500, dropping down to about 7,500. You can see it's getting pretty dark. Really dark over there near Safford. That's where we're going to go, over there. Heavy rain right now, so that could be an issue. We'll see.
Sky condition broken 4,800. Overcast 10,000.
All right, that's
19 Celsius.
230 won't.
2.15 Celsius.
10 plus. That's the right crosswind.
Lightning distant south.
Oh yeah, we're good. Couple miles viz. Yeah, I can see the airport already. Yeah, we got enough visibility. We'll go ahead and make it into a left downwind for 30 and get that wind facing us. We don't want to stack the deck against us. Safford traffic 45 Alpha Zulu will be left downwind 30 Safford. Safford traffic 5 Alpha Zulu's turning left base 30 Safford. We improved from 1.5 miles of visibility pretty quick. Holding on, approach is clear, check gears down. Hydraulics are good, brakes are good. Here we go, we start to turn early, it's going to blow us right into the center line. Safford traffic 5 Alpha Zulu is final, 30 will be full stop, Safford. Ready for mechanical wind shear. So we want to touch down a little bit further down the runway. We want to make sure we got plenty of energy. We come across this little washboard here. Wind likes to do crazy things on these washboards. We're looking good. We're set up, gears down, flaps are full, brakes are good. And we'll fly this plane all the way to the stops here. The power's starting to come out now. Runway's made. Start our side slip. Oh, that was freaking butter. Now we got to fly this bad boy all the way to the... Got to put a little pressure on the nose wheel because we want to keep that nose wheel steering. We use differential thrust here. Keep it on the runway. Get our crosswind correction into the left. No, it's only 9 knots. We don't want to fool around. We got a big ass freaking tail. Got a slippery runway. If that nose wheel starts to skid, we're going for a ride. Okay, so we're looking good right now. All right. So we won another battle with Mother Nature. Made it back to the base. Like some more weather coming in, so we kind of snagged an opening there. It sure helped to be able to see where you're going. But that takes some of the mundane part of this job, going back and forth to the same places over and over. Days like this make it way more interesting and challenging. Keeps things challenging. Oops, left the caddy out in the rain. Check that. And I'll park right next to this 737 John Deere tractor, because that's how we roll in Safford.
Oh, get the tractor? Yeah. Yeah, tractor! Yay. Final days in the Commander. I'm gonna miss her.